Hey there, Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over bed frames. You guys, this is the Amazon Basics, their 9-leg metal bed frame. This is going to be, again, just an Amazon Basics, so you know that it's going to be a great brand. It's going to have a ton of good reviews. It's going to be shipped with, Amazon Prime super fast, and you're going to get that A to Z guarantee. So you can really trust this product. What I really like about it too is that unlike a lot of the other metal bed frames that you'll find, just kind of your basic metal bed frames, this one is so easy because it actually doesn't require any tools. There's no assembly, nothing like that. It has a unique just lock in place system. So you just like push, pull it out, lock it in place, you're set, you're done. You don't have to worry about it. That's really nice too for if you move the bed from even just room to room, or you're moving places. That's gonna be totally come in handy because you're not gonna have that's one less thing that you have to disassemble and then reassemble. You just take it with you, pop it into place, and you're done. This is a lower profile. It's about 7 inches of clearance. So probably not gonna put a lot of things underneath there, but it's got that cool modern feel, so that's really nice. This does require a box spring and of course a mattress, which you can get both of those on Amazon as well. Shop around for sure, and there's a ton of great options, but if you just need the bed frame, this is a great one. It has 9 legs for support, so it goes all the way around, including a bar in the middle, with 3 different legs there too. So that's just a lot better than a lot of the other ones that don't have anything in the middle, or they just have like one little leg. This is going to give you tons of support, comfort, stability throughout the entire mattress. It also has the brackets for the headboard built in. So if you have your own headboard, or you're still searching for that perfect vintage antique piece to just really set your room up, this has you covered. This is a great product, you guys. You're gonna love it. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be very glad you did.